Near protocol price prediction will near hit $12.80, maybe even $33.90 in 2021. Let's go. Hey, welcome back to Art of Marketing blog, a place where we talk about making money online, working from home, and cryptocurrency. And this is my near protocol price prediction. Near price prediction for 2021, 2022, 2025, and even 2030. So first of all, I will tell you what near protocol is, what it does, is it still a good investment right now in the end of 2021, and I'm going to give you all the information and 7 different perspectives so you can make an informed decision. Before we start, let me give away $100 in Bitcoin. If you want to win $100 in Bitcoin, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment with your Bitcoin wallet address. I'll be randomly picking one person and sending them $100 in Bitcoin. This is a monthly giveaway, and also check out all the links in the description of this video. The first link will take you to a course that will show you how to get free cryptocurrency. Check everything else out as well. And right now, let me share my screen. Let's jump into this near price prediction. And the first website we are going to visit is near.org. This is the official website for Near. As you can see, it says infrastructure for innovation. Near is an open source platform that enables creators, communities, and markets to drive a more open, interconnected, and consumer empowered world. You can start coding if you're a coder, if you're a programmer. You can join the community, you can subscribe for their updates. And as you can see, they say build on blockchain like never before. So you can build community-owned apps, harness the internet of value, operate at consumer speed, and secure financial components. So as you can see, all the information is right here. Who is building on Near? We have a bunch of different companies. We have Binance, we have Zest, we have Telegram, we have all the stable coins basically. We have all of these different companies that are currently working with Near, coding on them. So definitely a great information for us as investors. So we have some case studies, we have the ecosystem right here. So we have lowest cost for transactions, we have 155 founders and partners worldwide, we have 60. So definitely check out this whole website if you are interested in investing into Near. Some of it is a bit technical, but I'm going to give you a little breakdown that is less technical in just a minute. Also, let's go to Twitter and let's follow at Near Protocol. As you can see, they have 142,000 followers, and you'll be able to find all the news, updates, and much more info right here on Twitter. So again, a great resource. And right now, let me tell you what is Near Protocol. This is an article from decrypt.co. As you can see, it says, what is Near Protocol? Near is a smart contracts capable blockchain that is designed to be a next generation platform for dApps with its own unique scaling solution. So in brief, Near is a smart contract capable blockchain that launched its mainnet in 2020. It features a unique scaling solution known as Nightshade and a powerful consensus engine called Doomslug. So as you can see, blockchains that can run smart contracts aren't anything new. They've been around since 2015 with the launch of the Ethereum mainnet, and there are now more than a dozen similar platforms operating today. But despite the rapidly growing demand for decentralized applications or dApps and the elaboration of increasingly elaborate and capable dApps, several major friction points still limit their adoption. Near is a newcomer that looks to address the limitations of older systems through a community-governed shared blockchain platform with interoperability and scalability at its core. So let me just tell you that it operates on top of the developer-friendly proof of stake or POS blockchain that incorporates a number of innovations to boost scalability and reduce costs for developers and end users. And also, how does it work? It's similar to Ethereum or Cardano and even Tron. Near can be described as a base layer blockchain, which means it is the foundation upon which other applications are built and deployed. Now, what's so special about it? Near is designed to be the next generation platform for dApps. To achieve this, it tackles some of the longest standing issues in the blockchain space, as well as some that have only become apparent relatively recently. So it's all great news for us as investors. A new protocol that will be competing with Ethereum and Cardano. So a new protocol that will be competing with Ethereum and Cardano. So there's a lot of potential. And with that being said, let's check out the price. So Near Protocol, as you can see, is currently the 46th biggest cryptocurrency in the world according to coinmarketcap.com. It is currently $7.07 as of the moment of recording this video. This past year it costed as low as 52 cents and as high as $11.83. Checking the chart right here, $11.83 was actually not so long ago, a month ago, so I think there's still a lot of room to grow on CoinMarketCap. As always, you're going to find all the information, the charts. We have the all the links to explorers, to the community, to the chat. We have the source code if you want to check it out. So definitely check out CoinMarketCap for any cryptocurrency, not just the Near protocol. And right now, let's go with the price prediction. But before we will, let me just tell you that this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Never invest any money you cannot afford to lose. And what I'm about to share with you is the opinion of 7 different websites, so you can just take all of it together and make up your own mind. In the end, I'm going to give you my opinion as well, but take all of this with a grain of salt. Obviously, what we are doing is predicting the future. No one really knows what will happen. This is just an educated guess. With that being said, let's go to the first price prediction from walletinvestor.com. As you can see, they say the 1-year forecast, which is actually for 2021, is $12.82. So still a lot of room to grow comparing to the price right now. And the 5-year forecast, which is for the next bull run, is $33.98. So definitely super bullish in the long run. And this is definitely my favorite price prediction from all the price predictions I'm about to show you, because I think it's based in reality, and you're gonna see that some of these price predictions are just way off or just looking weird. So this is walletinvestor.com, personally my favorite prediction. And then we have digitalcoinprice.com. As you can see, they have a prediction until 2028 for each year. So 2021, they say $10.54. 2022, $12.37, 2023, $14.68, 2024, $17.29, 2025, $21.88, 2026, $24.30, 2027, $22.03, 2028, $31.32. So for example, this is one of these price predictions that to me don't really make sense, because we will definitely see a peak in 2021 and then in 2025. And in between, we shouldn't be seeing this kind of a steady increase. We will definitely see some valleys right here in between the cryptocurrency bull runs. So again, take all of this with a grain of salt. This is a prediction according to digitalcoinprice.com. Next up, we have cryptonews.com, another Near protocol price prediction. They have an extensive article right here, so let's skip the article. They have some predictions from other websites. So Wallet Investor we already covered, Digital Coin Price we already covered, Gov Capital we will cover. We have News Crypto, they say 756 this year. We have price prediction, they say 433 by the end of 2021, which we already surpassed. We have cryptocurrency price prediction, they say 777 by the end of 2021. And the Reddit community says $10 in the next 5 years. So let's check out what cryptonews.com themselves are actually saying. They say it can reach $8 to $10 by December of 2021, then $12 to $15 by 2022. 2023 we have $12 again, so actually dropping from 15 to 12. Then we have 2024 $18 to $20. 2025 we have $25, and then we have beyond 2025 we have $40. So pretty similar to what Digital Coin Price was predicting. Again, I think we will see a peak, then a valley, and then a peak again 2021 and then 2025 with 2 peaks. This is cryptonews.com. Definitely check out their article if you want to. Next up, we have newsbitcoin247.com. Near protocol price prediction 2021, 2025, and 2030. Near worth buying with a question mark. So let's go directly to the prediction. Let me tell you the maximum price they have for each year. 2021, 768. 2022, 1250. 2023, 1776. 2024, 2648. 2025, $36. 2026, $53. 2027, $81. 2028, $115. 2029, $164. 2030, $239. So really interesting. I would really like to know where they are taking these figures from. newsbitcoin247.com. Next up, we have thenewscrypto.com. Near protocol price prediction 2021, will it hit $12 soon? So let's check out. They have a bunch of charts, and the conclusion is that by the end of 2021 we can reach $10.48, maybe even $12. So the answer is yes, we can reach $12 soon in less than 3 months. Next up, gov.capital, and they actually have a prediction for each day for the next 10 years. So really interesting. Let me just tell you what they think about December 31st of each year. So 2021, December 31st, they have $8.55. Let me find December of 2022, and they have $14.78. December 2023, let me find it, we have $20.90. December 2024, we have $25. December 2025, we have, let me just find it right here. As you can see, we have $31, and then the last one is actually 2026, but October, this is the last day, they have $38. So this is according to gov.capital. Again, I would really like to know how they do these predictions for every single day for the next 5 years. So really interesting. And lastly, I have priceprediction.net, and they have a prediction till 2030. Again, let me go with the maximum price for each year. 2021, 805, 2022, 1303, 2023, 1839, 2024, 2759, 2025, 3855, 2026, 5561, 2027, 8398, 2028, $120, 2029, $170, 2030, we have $248. So if really bullish, and again, from all of these predictions, I think the one that makes the most sense is the one from Wallet Investor. Still $12 this year by the end of the year, and then the next peak in 5 years, so in 2025 actually, $33. So this is the one that I like the most, but again, do your own research and you're gonna have to make up your own mind before investing anything. This was my near protocol price prediction. Thanks for watching. Before you go, make sure to enter the $100 Bitcoin giveaway by liking this video, subscribing to this channel, clicking on the bell, and leaving me a comment with your Bitcoin wallet address. Again, I'll be randomly picking one person and sending them $100 in Bitcoin. Check out all the links in the description of this video. If you have any questions, leave me a comment, and watch all the rest of the videos on this channel. Again, this channel is about making money online, working from home, and cryptocurrency. So see you in the next video. Ciao.